So if I want to find out how much it costs per pound for a 3-pound package, I'm going to pay attention to this line right there. And so I'm going to divide 6.74 divided by 3. Again, I have a decimal on my dividend, so I'm going to go ahead and bring that up right away. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract, I have a 0. I'm going to go ahead and bring, that is an acceptable number to have. It's less than the 3. Now I'm going to bring down the 7. How many times does 3 go into 7? And that goes into it 2 times. 2 times 3 again is 6. Subtract, and I have a 1. Is 1 acceptable? Yes, it's lower than the 3. So I'm going to go ahead and bring down a 4. 3 goes into 14. That's going to be 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract, I have a 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and annex and add a 0 to bring down. 3 goes into 20. That's going to be 6 times. 3 times 6 is 18. I'm going to subtract and I'm going to get a 2. I'm going to annex another 0 to bring down. And 3 is going to go into 20 6 times. I'm going to get an 18, subtract, and I'm going to get a 2. And I notice that I'm going to start to create a pattern here because that 6 is just going to keep going because I'm going to have 20 minus 18, which is going to get me 2, and then 20 minus 18, which is going to get me 2. So that is going to continue on. So that's one that I'm going to do a bar notation on. So it's 2.246, which is going to have a bar notation over just the 6 because the 6 is the part that gets repeated. But we're talking about money here. And when we're talking about money, we don't go beyond the penny. And the penny is the hundredths place. So I'm going to need to round to the nearest hundredths place, which is where the 4 is. And my never-ending 6 tells me to go up. So this is going to be $2.25 per pound. I can check my answer by multiplying 2.25 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to place my decimal. I have 2 numbers behind the decimal, so I will have 2 numbers behind the decimal here. It's $6.75. So that's not exact because I had to round because I had this never-ending number here, but it is close to it. So that is our answer. It's $2.25 per pound.